another delicious recipe I would like to share with you all. It's easy and simple, very short ingredients and very delicious. Let's get cooking. So if you know the scone, if you don't know scone, well, scone is very easy. It's like similar to biscuits. Just need a fruit to become scone. So it's good to make scone right now because it's the berries is in season right now. All right. So what I have here is a bowl, and then we're gonna need 2 cups of flours. We're gonna need 2 cups of flours, and then we're gonna zip it. Okay. 2 cups of flours, guys. Okay. Two cups of flours, and then this is not very sweet recipe, so just 1/4 cup of sugar, and then salt, half teaspoon of salt, spoon of salt, and baking powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and so let's zip these ingredients together. We can do it all because we don't like a long ingredients. So I love this recipe. So now we have the sugar, salt, and flour, and baking powder. So we're gonna add now the cream. We're gonna put cream. So distribute the liquid to the flour, to the dry ingredients, guys. Very simple. Madali lang siyang gawin. I like it. Okay, pag natikman nyo ito, you always gonna make it. When you try this scone, you're gonna make it. Okay, so we're gonna add vanilla for even, add more flavor. Ang masarap. 1 teaspoon. And then we're gonna add the vanilla, distribute the vanilla along with the liquid, and then we're gonna add our blueberry. Blueberry, 1 cup. Blueberry, fresh blueberry. You can use frozen blueberry if you don't have the fresh. So there's different variety of scone to make the scone, and this is my simple scone. So okay, so distribute. Ayan. So guys, this is how we're gonna put the flour together, squish together. Very gentle now when you put the gentle lang ha. Very gentle. Okay, so we're going to put now in the cutting board. Okay, let's clear up the area. There you go. So look at that. Just put them together. It's like mountain. like mountain, like mounts like this. And then we're gonna plot in. So depends on the size what you want, but this is the size I'm going to make. Okay. Okay, so together now, they come together. But some of the blueberry will pop because it's ripe. It's it's okay. It's good because you have color. Blueberry is spread over here, more over here. See? Okay, so we're gonna okay, so I'm gonna do this flatten and then flat. Mix 8 pieces here. Let's add a little bit of flour. Let's make 8 pieces. Pantay. Sometimes I'm not good straight, so it's okay. So no big deal, huh? If you don't get it the shape. Look at that, huh? Wow. Okay, so let's bake it. Let's add some brown sugar on top. It adds more flavor there. Okay, ayan, ready na si scone. Scone is ready to bake for 350 until it's golden brown. Use a parchment paper. If you don't have, just spray your baking sheet. Okay, so I'm gonna make a roll here. Alright. Okay, there you go. One stone. You see? Look at that. I like it. Okay. You just pick it up. It's firm enough to pick it up. Look at that. Okay. Let's bake it. 350s. Okay.
Action.
Let's do it. Bake it. Till it's golden brown and crispy. Scone. Wow, look at that, guys. It's done golden delicious. Look at that, huh? So let's put in here. So it's cool. Coffee, it's good for in the morning, snack, whatever. Yay. So let's put in a cooling rack. Yes. Oh, come on, let's try now. I can't wait to dig in. So look at that beautiful color. And that purple in the back. It's crispy, golden brown. So let's bite. Or someone don't want to bite. Ooh, look at that. Look at the blueberry. How beautiful. Okay, let me eat. Mmm. But it
It's hot, but you have to let it cool, huh? Don't do it like I do. Okay, so with coffee. Sausaw pagit. Sausaw pagit. May kamilonggo na ako. Wow. Wow. Crunchy. Not very sweet. You can taste the blueberry more. The blueberry more. It sounds like a actor. Blueberry more. Okay. Tastes like more blueberry. Oh my god, that's so good. Yeah, you can taste very delicate, but it's got sour because of blueberry. Got a little bit sour to it. Yeah. So let's eat, guys. Cheers. Cheers to your friends if you're gonna make this. They're gonna love you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see my next cooking, our cooking. Bye. Have a blessed day. Thank you.